Sean Kelly here, and you're very welcome to another lesson on the Study Skills course from learnhowtostudy.com. In this lesson we're going to focus on improving your recall even more. So the first question we're going to ask is this: when is your recall already good? It's very important. Based on the quote, success leaves clues, we're looking for the clues as to when your recall is already working well and why does it work well in those cases. Once we find that, we're then going to ask, how can you take advantage of this? In other words, how can we use what we learned from question 1 to continuously improve our recall? First of all, let's begin with a simple memory test. Now you need to concentrate on this for a few moments and really have a go at it, because it establishes a benchmark from which we're going to work from, and also it lets us know where success is already happening, where things are working, because remember, success leaves clues. So, memorize the following list. You have 25 seconds. Take in a breath and get ready. And memorize now. Okay, stop the video and write down what you can recall. Once you're done, you can resume the video. Now please make sure to do this for your own sake so that you can learn the maximum amount from this lesson. Here's the list again. See how many you are able to recall. Which items did you find it most easy to recall? Most people will recall one or two at the beginning and at the end. What is this called? It's a very common pattern. What's it called? The primacy recency effect. We recall more of the beginning and the end than we do of the middle. Hence the phrase first impressions count is so true. We remember the beginning a lot more easily than the middle bits. So how can we use this effect to improve our learning and specifically our recall? Well, let's just look at a study period. So imagine this orange line is one study period. But if we only have one study period without any breaks, obviously then there's only one beginning and one ending. So we're not really maximizing our use of the primacy recency principle. Let's take a look at another graph. And in this one, like we had in the previous lesson, we've split up that study period into 3 smaller study periods between 25 and 45 minutes, remember? And in each study period we have a beginning and we have an end. We have a beginning, an end, a beginning, an end. So we have 6 opportunities of the primacy recency working with us. So that's very important. The more beginnings, the more endings we have, the easier it is to recall information. In other words, the more breaks, the more beginnings and endings, hence the more you will recall. So, how can you maximize your recall? Well, remember, success leaves clues. So, when is your recall already working good? It's already working good at the beginning of a study session and at the end of a study session. So how can we take advantage of this? Short, focused study periods with plenty of beginnings and endings. Thank you very much.